Alright, ayan. So let's talk about Siding's approach when setting appointments. How many of you are having a hard time setting appointments minsan? Parang nare-reject, ganyan. Or hindi nag-agree, di ba? Ganyan. So mas marami yung hindi pumapayag mag-set ng appointments kaysa pumayag. No, tama naman, gano'n. So, lalo na pag if you keep on calling or sending messages, gano'n. So, naisip ko, maybe sa panahon ngayon, we're in AIA specifically, maybe we're doing it the wrong way. Maybe there's something better no, to do it. No? Some way, some new ways to do it. So, ayan, na-realize ko na ang harsh reality ngayon is we are having a hard time setting appointments. A lot. Kasi obviously, ang konti ng presentations eh. Sabi nila, to be an MDRT, 3 presentations a day, 15 in a week, 60 in a month. Alright? Kung MDRT ang goal natin, dapat talaga ganun. Yun yung activity level. Alright? But not even 20 presentations, most of you, kukunti o hindi nagkakaroon ng 20. So either kukunting activities or maybe, lalo na sa bago, kaya hindi nag-activity, pag na-reject ka na, tinatamad ka na or nahihiya ka na. Para gano'n. Or maybe the approach is hindi effective. So it can be a vicious cycle. So sabi ko, maybe there's a better way to do this. And now, tinignan ko rin yung ibang company. Sabi ko, bakit yung ibang company, let's say, the other red company, ang lakas nila mag-recruit. No? Sila yung pinakamaraming advisors. And then, for sure, hindi mo na ganun kagaling yung mga yon pa. Di ba? Pero bakit? Tinatalo nila, nagna-number 1 sila minsan sa sales sa buong Philippines. Of course, by sheer number, that's one. And then, kahit wala pa masyadong background yung tong tao na to, maybe tama yung approach nila sa pag-set ng appointment. Alright? Kahit mali yung product na binibenta nila, kasi a lot of them are selling Insura-Best approach lang, di ba? VUL, age 60, age 65, ganito yung amount at 10% kahit hindi naman nangyayari. May mga nakita ba kayong ganong post sa Facebook? Marami. Di ba? So meaning, nakakaset sila ng appointment, maybe nakakabenta sila, pero the wrong product, the wrong, tapos pag hindi sila tumagal, aalis sila, kawawa lang yung kliyente. Gusto niyo ba yun? Kawawa yung kliyente? Di ba? Alam niyo, kayo yung mas committed, tayo yung mas committed advisors. Napupunta sa iba. Gusto ko magalit din kayo kasi ako nagagalit ako. No, napupunta sa iba, yung kliyente, hindi naman nila isa-serve. Alright? Minsan sa'yo rin magtatanong or minsan galit na sa insurance. Kasi mali, di ba? So meaning, bakit hindi tayo ang nagsaset ng appointment? Kung tama ang puso at diwa natin, dito sa negosyo na to. Alright? So maybe mali lang yung approach. Di ba? Or maybe masyado tayong mabilis masaktan. Ganyan. Di ba? So, itama natin. Dapat isipin na ako, yun yung naging one of the reasons why I became an MDR. Sabi ko, alam ko marunong ako mag-present, mas magaling ako to most people. Maybe not to all, but to a lot of people. Alam ko, may konting yabang ako sa sarili ko. Pag napunta sa iba, may binabebentahan kasi kaibigan nila or what, nahiya, pero maling product. Or hindi naman na-explain ng tama. Di ba? So, kaya that's why I did a lot of videos about their insurance, about BDID, about VUL, explaining bakit hindi pa kumikita yan. Because I really need to cure the industry. Kumbaga, ano yung heartaches eh. Ganon. So, I wanted that. Na-feel ko yun sa mga kliyente. So, gusto ko magalit din kayo na dapat hindi ito mapunta dun sa mga taong bali-bali naman ng pagbebenta. But maybe our approach is wrong or hindi ganun ka-effective. So, tinignan ko. Tinignan ko. Sabi ko, pag magbebenta ka at mag-approach ka ng investment, kikita yung pera mo. Alright? Kesa sa protection, pag namatay ka, or pag nagkasakit ka, makakuha ka ng pera. Ano yung mas confident ka or mas exciting pag-usapan? Investment, tama? Realistic lang. Parang the people will also not be that mataas yung wall, di ba? Or hindi iffy pag-usapan kapag kikita yung pera mo. Di ba? Kesa yung you die, we pay, you get sick, we pay. But apparently, like AIA, focus on that platform. Ang dami ko nakausap, even the agency managers, like Eman, sa akin, Ayaw na namin ng VUL. Ganyan. Di ba? And it's taking a toll to the sales of the company as a whole. Alright? No, kasi kung puro OL lang binibenta natin, like, if sabihin na natin pumantay lang yung benta ng dalawa, edi double kagad ang benta ng company, di ba? Kung mapumantay lang ang benta nun, di double kagad ang benta mo or ng Starbright. So sabi ko, we're doing something wrong, maybe because mali yung approach, maybe kulang sa training about it. No? Kasi in reality, like, those companies, tayo lang ang company na protection talaga nakafocus eh. It should be an edge, and we're in, nakaka-penetrate tayo ng ganung market. However, masyadong maliit yung market na yun. Di ba? The median age of the Philippines is still about 23 years old. Yung average age ng buong population. The younger generation, gusto pa rin nila exciting. Hindi takutan, di ba? So, kaya the other red company, yun ang gusto nila. Like, I have a friend, sinasabi niya sa agency namin nga, AMDJ, 35 below lang yung recruit. Eh, sa'yo ba merong age range, age limit? Sabi ko, wala. So, gusto niya sa akin ibigay yung mga potential niyang recruit na beyond 35. Sabi ko, oo nga, hindi tatanggapin sa inyo. 37 na ako. Ganon. So, iniisip ko, bakit ganon sila? So, hindi. Feeling ko, dahil nga mas madaling mabudol yung ang sama ng tingin ko dun sa company. Pero yun ang analysis ko, mas madaling mabudol yung mga bata, wala pa silang bad experience. Tapos of course, the energy, mas excited and all. So sabi ko, dapat gayahin natin in a way, but with the right product and with the right approach. Okay ba kayo doon? No? So, sabi ko, tignan natin kung paano natin gagawin yun. So, sabi nga, be different to stand out. We did that with being, with the protection part, protection trinity. However, feeling ko masyado maliit yung market. Di ba? Kung kahit anong ganda ng product mo, kung maliit yung market, hindi mo tatalunin yung malaki yung market. Alright? So I think mas malaki pa rin ang market sa Philippines ng savings. At least sa approach. Hindi ko sinasabi hindi na tayo magbebenta ng critical illness, yung pa rin. Hindi ko nasabi hindi tayo magbebenta ng life insurance, yung pa rin. Pero when you set appointment, kaya hindi siguro natin nasiset, is because the approach, nakakatakot ka agad. Would you agree? Right? Parang may wall ka agad. Kasi, kung pag-usapan natin, critical illness insurance, ganyan. May market tayo, health insurance, that's also good. Life insurance. Pero maybe mas malaki yung exciting part na mag-iipon ka, lalaki yung pera mo. Alright? So type in the chat box if you also agree with me.
Funny lang the other day. Alam mo yung parang nakalagay no one, tapos someone saying something. So nakalagay doon no one, tapos blank. Wala talaga nagsasabi doon. Tapos financial advisors, what if mamatay ka? Tama.
Tama, di ba? So, tama naman yung point, pero baka mali yung approach. Lalo na, paano ka makaset ng appointment kung doon pa lang, ganun na yung approach natin, di ba? It may have worked during the pandemic times. Kaya ang mas mabilis nung time. Pero nag-dwindle down na yung fear and mas aggressive na ulit, di ba? Kailangan magbaguhin natin yung strategy natin. Alright? So, sabi nitong infographic na to, savings is a commitment, not an amount. So I want us to talk about savings. Can you type in the chat box, savings? Alright? Meaning yung savings, hindi siya one time lang or hindi siya yung pera sa bangko, hindi ganon. No? Savings is the act of doing it on a regular basis. So yun yung gusto kong makita ninyo. Paano natin ma-highlight with your clients yung commitment of saving money. Kasi, sige, ito yung tanong ko. Raise your hand if you want to save more money for yourself. Yung sana mas makasave ako ng mas maraming pera. Taas ang kamay. Ayun yung iba? Ayan. Type in me in the chat box if gusto mo makasave ka rin ng marami. No, type me in the chat box. Kung gusto mo sana madagdagan yung savings ko. Diba? Lahat naman, so gusto pag-usapan yun, tama? No, gusto natin pag-usapan yung savings. Gusto natin makasave tayo ng mas marami. Ayan, thank you. So let me share with you the different approaches na pwede natin gamitin while setting appointments. Some of this I shared during the agency assembly, and then I added some more. And then later, you take screenshots or write it down, copyahin nyo, and then later magpa-practice tayo. Sabihin nyo sa akin kung ano yung magugustuhan nyo. Number one, so first approach in savings. Hi, Chucky, do you want to increase your savings while you're still able to enjoy your life today? We have a program in AIA that can help you with that. So yun yung first approach. Chucky, gusto ba lumaki yung savings mo habang na-enjoy mo pa rin yung pera mo today? Oo naman, tama? Sige, meron kami program sa AIA na makakatulong sa'yo. That's simple. Pag-usapan natin. Set tayo ng appointment. Kita tayo on this day. Alright? So savings ang approach. Okay, gusto natin lumaki yung savings mo. That's the first part. So sa mga nasa Zoom, para alam kong nandiyan din kayo, no? Type in the chat box, kunyari, number 1. Ganyan kung gusto mo yung number 1. Alright? Yeah, para may involvement from people in Zoom. Yeah, kung gusto mo yung number 2, type in number 2, etc. Alright. Number 2. Bumalik. Sige. Ayan, para ma-picturean muna. Okay na. Sige, number 2. Hi, JC. What if you can balance having a YOLO lifestyle and then practice delayed gratification? Will you be interested in a program that can help you save more money for future needs? So, Taglish, JC, no, what if kaya natin i-balance yung YOLO and then delayed gratification para makasave ng pera? Maging interested ka ba with a program that can help you save more money para sa future needs mo? Yes, alright. So yun lang yung question. Yun yung approach natin. And then, okay, perfect. Sige. We have a program in AIA that can help you with that. Kita tayo on ganito. So parang yun yung closing statement natin. We have a program in AIA that can help you with that. Kita tayo on Tuesday or Thursday kaya naka-available. Alright? Next. Yeah, number 3. Hi, Jeng. I recently learned about a program that can help you save money now so you can be prepared for short-term and long-term goals. I want to share with you what we have in AIA that can help you. Are you interested? Alright? So, Taglish, diba, Jeng, meron kami program sa AIA na makakasave ka ng money today para sa future long-term, short-term and long-term goals mo. Both long-term and short-term goals. So parang A+ signature ang approach natin dyan. Right? So sige, meron akong i-share sa'yo no, na pwedeng makatulong. Interested ka ba? Alright? Or pwedeng yun munang taas, no? Tapos, are you open to look, etc. Pagkasyahin. Okay? So that's savings approach 3. Now, sa mga nasa Zoom, type lang kung what do you think about the scripts that we are using. So again, pwede nyo itong paghalu-haluin in the future. Alright? So another concept that I would like to share with you, specific to education naman. Kasi alam natin, when we talk about long-term savings, lalo na sa product natin, mainly education and then retirement. Tama? Minsan may iba pang goal sa savings. Pero education is a very specific goal na parang quantifiable for the client. Mas madali nilang maintindihan. Alright? So education is a guaranteed expense. Yun ang gusto kong maintindihan ninyo. Sigurado gagastusin mo yan. Dapat mag-save ka na ng pera. And this is one of my favorite concept presentations by Sanchi Tolan. Diba? That education planning, no, you only have 2 options. Either you save money now and earn interest, and then at age 18, gagastusin mo siya, or pay money and pay interest. Meaning, kung pagdating ito, wala kang pera, magbabayad ka na, magbayad ka pa ng interest kasi maybe mangungutang ka. Di ba? Alright? Which one would you choose? Now, type in option 1 or option 2 in the chat box. Who says option 2? Taas ang kamay. Who says option 1? Taas ang kamay. Tama? Ganun lang kasi hindi 1% ng education plan. Because education is a guaranteed expense, Sir Chappie. Diba? So you only have two options. Save now, and then earn interest from what you save, or pay later, and you also pay interest. Kasi nga, pag ng time may mga utang ka. Or if you don't pay in cash, di ba, pag sa tuition, pag cash mas mura kaysa pag naka-monthly or quarterly. So you pay interest, technically. Right? Ayan, so option 1 daw. Ayan, perfect. Sige, so now let's use the let's go to the approach that you can use for meron pong naka-unmute. Wait lang. Ayan, pwede pala po. Pwede ko pala i-mute. Ayan, perfect. Okay. Hi, Chucky. Meron na bang education plan si Italia? So yun yung, does your son or daughter already have an education plan? Wait for a reply. So yun yung approach natin. Tama? Oh, yes, meron na. Or wala pa nga eh. Sige. O alam mo, we have a program in AIA that can help you with that. We have an option that you can start getting benefits as early as 6 years from now. Hindi at age 18. Alright? Yun yung gusto kong i-highlight. You can start getting benefits as early as 6 years from now. Usap tayo this weekend, Friday night or Saturday morning. Alright? So, diretso education. I'm sure a lot of you do this already. Tama? So, maybe binibigay ko lang dito yung mga other things that you can say after asking kung education plan na sila. Tama? But, maganda dito, be specific. Meron na ka na bang nasimulang education plan? Pag meron na, sige, ano yun? Saan ka kumuha? Anong meron dyan? Ganyan. Etc. And then, pwede mong sabihin niya as early as 6 years from now, meron na sila makukuha benefit. Alright? Next. Ito naman yung second approach. Hi, Carla. I just want to share this. You might want to explore a new product in AIA for your kids' education. This gives guaranteed payout every 2 years starting 6 years from now. Marami na akong sinenda nitong script na to. Nagpapasend sila sa akin ng quotation. Alright? So, and then send the A+ signature poster that we already have. Tama? Meron tayo nun. At meron po akong pinagawang bago. And so, pwede mo i-share si Carla later. Right? So, kunyari to, share ko lang. Tinry ko talaga to. Kunyari, hello bro, share ko lang to. You might want to explore a new product in AIA for your kids' education. This gives guaranteed payout every 2 years starting 6 years from now. Sige, okay yan ah. No, lalo na yung mga may VUL na naiintindihan na nila ito, guaranteed payout, etc. This is the poster that I use now. So, umabot sa deadline. So, napagawa natin. So, para kamukha ng A+ signature natin, iniba ko lang, pang education talaga. So, ito, nilagay ko, grade 1, grade 3, grade 5, grade 7, grade 9, grade 11, first year college. Ay, meron pala, may mali pa lang, may typo pala. Third year college, fifth year college. Ganyan. Sorry, papa-edit ko. Check mo na kagad si sabi mo, second year college, dapat third year college. Ayan. So, every 2 years, technically. Tapos, nandiyan na rin yung postgraduate studies, graduation gift, parang ganon. Alright? Kasi every 2 years eh. So, presentation natin dyan, kahit mag-MBA ka, or mag-doktor yung anak mo, may pambayad ka pa rin. Yun talaga ang presentation ng A+ signature. Ngayon. So, sorry, papa-edit ko yung third year college. Nagkamalilas. Nihahapon natin yan dito. Ayun. So, yeah, but that's the idea. So, every 2 years. Alright? Meron na rin akong 50K tsaka 100K niya. So, kaya lang wala itong pinaalis ko itong start this lifetime investment for as low as 33,000 a year. Para lang sa 25K, para pang mura. The rest, inalis ko na siya. So that's the idea. Pang-education yung approach natin ngayon. Okay ba? Do you like this poster? Right? Actually, naka-post na siya. Naka-schedule post siya mamaya. Pero kailangan ko palitan dahil nga third year college. But yeah, you can. No? You will be able to use this as soon as possible. Alright? So yun, for your child's education, yun yung goal natin. So tinry kong i-fit na siya diretso pang education, okay? Na para clear, kasi sometimes specific talaga mas clear for the client. Eh. Minsan hindi niya alam saan niya gagamitin eh. Di ba? O sige, pakita na natin. Tapos nakalagay lang dyan, when you get for an insured child, age 0. Kasi kaya kami grade 1, di ba? So, kasi age 6 na siya nun eh. So, grade 1 na siya nun, tama? So, yun naman yung explanation niya. Alright, so type in the chat box kung may mga questions kayo or if you like this part. Alright, so that's the reason why I prepared those approaches from education diretso. Kasi napagawa tayo ng ganitong poster. Alright, let's go to retirement naman. Retirement is the biggest goal that we fail to prepare for. Just the reality. Retirement is our biggest goal. Sadly, we fail to prepare for it. Gusto niyo mag-MDRT? Right? Gusto niyo mag-MDRT? Retirement is one of the fastest approaches to become an MDRT because it will give you bigger A&P, bigger premium. Kasi that's the biggest goal. Eh. Yung education nga, nalilimit pa from 1 to 3 million siguro per child. Ang retirement higher. I'll show you kung magkano. So, compute ako ng konti. Cost of 3 meals a day. No? So, inspired by the concept presentations that we got sa MBA Masterclass, di ba? 100 pesos per meal, 3 meals a day, 300 pesos per person. Tama? Yan ang budget mo. Sa dalawa kayo, mag-asawa, that's 600 pesos per couple per day. In 30 days, wala namang pong tawad dyan, di ba? That's 18,000 a month. In 12 months, that's 216,000 a year. And in 20 years, it's already 4.3 million. Food pa lang yun. Granting, hindi ka nagbabayad ng kuryente. Well, nasa next slide. Now, pero yung bahay, granting, fully paid yung bahay. Granting, malakas kayong lahat. Alright? This alone, you show to your client, you screenshot this, you show to your client, and thank you, Miss Eva. Right? So this to your client, ma-realize niya, oo nga. Tama? So yan pala, meron ka ng retirement goal, 4.3 million. Kaya nga. So, I mean, simpleng pamumuhay na talaga. Alright? Wala bang inflation, sabi nga ni Ms. E. So, this is how I will sell this. This is how I will sell this. Kung may 4.3 million na target mo, 20 years from now, kung 20 years from now pa, kunyari age 45 pa lang si client, 65 siya mag-retire. I-divide ko lang ko ng 20, ang sagot niya 216,000. Alright? Yan ang agad yung premium na minimum ibibenta ko sa kanya. This is how I sell retirement. I just divide the retirement goal with the number of years. I don't factor in interest. Sa totoo lang. I just talk about savings all the time. In a lot of my VUL cases. I just talk about savings, kaya walang nagagalit na client. Bonus na lang, oo. I just sell this, I sell a 5-way plan. After 5 years, they can either do a top-up or kuha ulit sila ng plano. So I just focus on savings. Anyway, may insurance charges yung VUL. Diba? So, ino-offset ko siya na, sige, zero sum na. 0% na. And I close them a lot of times. Divide ko lang. Ito po kailangan natin i-save, sir. 260,000 a year para sa 4.3 million target. Kaya po ba? 80,000 naman na. Pag kaya, iyan na pag-usapan. Gawa ka na kagad ng proposal. No? So, those things. Yung food retirement computation. Ayan. Thank you, Ms. Eva. Ayan. Pero meron pang retirement, hidden retirement expenses. Healthcare, transportation, housing, travel. Wala, yun, housing kasama dyan yung energy. Kuryente, tubig, di ba? Pamilyar, kung meron ka ng bahay na fully paid. Alright? Pakita mo nito kahit hindi na kayo mag-compute eh. Di ba? Pakita mo lang yan. Kung gusto nyo, computean nyo. Tingin nyo magkano sa housing, tingin nyo magkano sa healthcare. Add nyo doon. And you'll be able to compute magkano yung kailangan for retirement. Tama? Alright? Compute na kayo ng monthly budget. Lagyan mo na lang ng monthly budget. Example, tigli 5,000 na lang dyan. And additional 20K a month. And then another 4 million na naman yun. Right? So pag inat mo, mga 8 to 9 million, yung retirement goal minimum. Alright? You have to understand this. That's how powerful our job is. People, narinig na nila to, but they delay doing something about it. Alright? Marami na sila natin na seminar. Ako, tuwing nakakarinig ako ng seminar, bakit hindi ganyan mga presentation ko? So, ikaka-attend ko lang kay John Merida last year. Tapos ito na naman nung nag-PFAP. So, na-remind ako, talaga, retirement talaga eh. So, I'm now pushing on, really, talking about retirement, lalo na pag may mga company talks kayo. Diba? Talk about retirement. Kahit ikaw ay may-ari, kailangan mo ng retirement for yourself. Alright? Oo, may company ka, pero yung company, hindi mo naman pwede kunin yung pera mo ng company, mamamatay yung business mo. So dapat yung company mo should pay for your own retirement. Bentahan mo ng human insurance, di ba? Alright? So that's the hidden cost of retirement. Now, let's talk about savings approach for retirement. Hi, Jet. Have you started saving for your retirement? Yun lang ang tanong. Di ba? Yun lang muna. Savings, yun yung operative word, saving. Not investment, right? Saving, and then retirement. Hindi pa eh. Hindi pa nga eh. Or meron na akong ilan mo na kayo. Alam mo bakit na tanong? We have a program in AIA wherein you can start getting benefits as early as 6 years from now and enjoy your money even before you retire. Are you available this Tuesday or Thursday after office? Discuss ko sa iyo. Alright? Magko-conceptualize ako ng poster na gano'n. Parang, kunyari, age 45. At the age 51 pa lang, may early retirement fund na siya. Parang gano'n. Sige, so iisipin ko yun. No, age 45 ka, o A plus signature, age 51, may nakukuha ka ng pera. Gano'n. So, paggawa ko ng poster. Para lang, when you set this approach, may poster na kasunod. Alright? Wala pa yun. Okay, so, ayan. Other possible expenses, cost of, yeah. Tama, yun nga, healthcare na rin siguro siya, Miss Eva. Pero, again, mas malaki yun. Regular repair and maintenance of the house, new car, tama, para mas comfortable. Alright? So, those things. So, that's my approach for retirement. Diretso lang. Kung nakapag-save ka na ba for retirement, nasimulan mo na ba, bro? Hindi ba nga, ano ba yan? Sige, pag-usapan natin. Tapos na, nakaset ka ng mga appointment. Okay ba yun? Ha? Okay ba yun? So, simple lang yung gawin nating approach. Dapat lang specific. O, next. Hindi ba ko lang ng konti? Karin, nakapag-start ka na ba have you started saving for your retirement? Pwede mo sabihin, meron ka na bang savings account specifically for retirement? O, pwede gano'n, di ba? Specifically for retirement, let's be specific. Tirahin na natin yung specific problem. Tama, di ba? Para si client mismo, oo nga, wala pa ako niyan. Sige nga, ano ba yan?
Kaya may player na eh.
Oo, okay lang. Kwentuhan ka muna. Ano na yung mga nasimulan mo? Wag, galing yan. Ano yung mga nasimulan mo? Sige, alam mo ba? Sisingit ka pa rin. Alam mo ba? Meron kami savings and investment program in AIA to help you fund your retirement goals so you don't need to depend on your kids when you're older. Alright? Ito kapag wala pa, ito siguro yung pwedeng sagot. Pag meron na, ito yung sagot. No? You can start getting benefits as early as 6 years from now and enjoy your money even before you retire. Gusto mo yung, before ka mag-retire, na-enjoy mo na yung pera mo. Ito yung sagot pag meron na. Alright? Kasi, ibang klase to. Hindi to, pag 60 ka lang, tsaka 65, doon mo lang papakinabangan. Okay? Ito, 6 years from now, before, may early retirement fund ka. Gusto mo yun? So, gamitin natin yung early retirement fund. Alright? Or pre-retirement fund. Basta before ka mag-retire, may pera ka na. Pag wala pa, ito naman yun. Sorry. Picture nyo. Ayan. Ayan. Pag wala pa, pwede mo sabihin ito, para hindi ka aasa sa kids mo when you're older. Discuss natin, bro, this weekend, Saturday or Sunday, kailan ka available. Okay? O sige, so, please indulge me. I want to know, which approach is your favorite amongst the 7 simple approaches that I shared with you? So, anong approach yung favorite ninyo? Sige nga. Chucky, ikaw. Ano number? Unang. So, Ano nga ulit yun? Meron ka bang picture nun? Yung unang approach, no? So, sige.
Makakainin mo ko, sir.
Yeah, I can send it to you.
Able to enjoy your life today.
So, makakapag-save ka ngayon habang na-enjoy mo yung life mo. Alright? Kasi again, ayaw naman nila, di ba? Ayaw nila nung pigilan mo sila. Yun yung concept ko dun eh. Kung ayaw, huwag mong sabihin, ay, wag kang gumasos kasi wala ka pang insurance, gastos ka ng gastos. Ganun kasi benta yung mga insurance advisors online, eh, di ba? Oo, may iPhone ka, wala kang e-phone. Ganon. Di ba? So, ganun yung mga ginagamit eh. Hindi yun. Huwag ganon. Habang na-enjoy mo yan, enjoy your iPhone, tulungan kita mag-ipon. Ganon. Yung mga, nakakainis yung mga ganong posts eh. Di ba? Hindi dapat ganon. And I don't use that in my marketing. Alright? Ayan. So how about yan, mga nasa Zoom, ano yung mga favorite ninyo? Alright? For most people, their savings for retirement is never enough, especially for the one from their company. Yes, tama. As long as they can spare extra funds, invest for retirement. Tama po yun, Miss Eva. Di ba? Sige, what else? And how about JC? Anong pinakagusto mo?
Yung food. Kasi yung food. Yung basic kasi, tsaka yung emphasizing na food pa lang yan. Also have other yung hidden expenses when you figure.
Thank you, JC. Pala pa si JC. Yeah, tama, no? So, yun, yung food, the cost of retirement. Kasi sometimes, alam lang natin kailangan ng retirement fund. Yun nga, sabi ni Ms. Eva, may retirement fund naman sa office, maybe 1 million, 2 million. Hello, food pa lang yan. Kulang na yan, di ba? So, hindi pa nga alam talaga yun enough. Alam natin marami pang iba. So, tingin ko nga ngayon, you will need at least 10 million. You will need at least 10 million to retire comfortably, at least. Hindi pala comfortably, basic needs. So yun, at least 10 million. Yun talaga. No, kung gusto niyo ng short amount, parang quick fix na amount, yun yung computation ko. Sa education kasi meron din ako, 1 to 3 million. Right? 1 to 3 million for education. Meron. Wala pang inflation. Yun. Kung pili ko na lang si client, between 1 million to 3 million, magkano education fund gusto mo sa isa mong anak. So sometimes I just give up an option para madali na sa kanila pumili. Yun. So, sa retirement fund, pakita mo yon, most likely you will come up at least 10 million. Kasi 4 million doon, 4 million plus 5 million doon sa other expenses. Alright? Sige bro.
May value ba if, for example, we show them, not really show, like parang papagpilin mo in passing, ano pala yun, wala palang inflation. If may inflation, it's probably gonna cost.
Yeah, bakit mo lang?
Like may mas malaki pa.
Yeah. So, walang right answer. You can use it, you may not use it. So, bakit pinapakiramdaman ko, depende sa kausap ko, if hindi ganun kalaki yung pera, yung capacity niya to pay, sa 4 million pa lang overwhelmed na siya. So, I just want them to get started. Kapag malaki yung alam kong capable siya, pwede kong i-mention yun para makita niya na kahit may nasimula na siyang retirement fund, hindi niya dapat i-undermine itong dinidiscuss ko. So, may bala pa ako pag kailangan. Pero hindi ko isa-serve lahat kasi mabubulunan yung kliyente. That's how I always present. Hindi ko lahat pinapresent para mapakita lang na ang dami kong alam. Hindi ganon. Actually, pitfall yan ng mga quiet news sa insurance kasi excited, natuwa, ang daming dinidiscuss. Lalo ma-overwhelm si client. So, unti-unti. Dapat planado mo kung ano yung sasabihin mo lang. Pag sinabi ka, meron na akong insurance, that's good. Nakapagsimula ka na. And then, ang challenge dito, may hidden pa or may hidden expenses pa. Pangalawa, inflation pa. Oo.
Na-overwhelm ka rin doon sa pinakita naman ng client na gusto nila na parang hindi ka capable. Kasi parang na-experience ko siya before. Nang bago pa lang ako, tinanong ko yung client ko kung magkano yung monthly income niya. Sabi niya sa akin, 1 million. Parang, hindi ako ready. Kasi parang nasanay ako na sa mga hundred of thousands lang yung sweldo. So, hindi siya kumuha sa akin. Never, never. Parang 3 beses ko siyang minit doon sa office nila. Pero hindi siya naging comfortable sa akin na ipagkatiwala yung insurance niya sa akin kasi na-overwhelm ako dun sa pinakita niyang numbers. So, wag na may overwhelm si client, pero wag din kayong ma-overwhelm. Na-overwhelm ka na parang, wow, ang laki ng numbers. Parang mararamdaman nila na hindi mo kayang i-manage. Parang gano'n. So, never talaga siya. Never. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko na siya nakakausap.
Yeah. Sayang yun.
Sayang
Pero,
yun.
yun, talagang experience. Charge your experience. Thank you, Marla. Tama. And one thing that you can start creating proposals already for some of your clients, di ba? So, mag-prepare kayo before nyo i-meet. Tsaka yun nga, like doing those competitions, like for example sa retirement, kakagawa ko, kakakompute ko niyan all the time. I kinda know already na 10 million, 20 million, ganun papatak yung goal eh. Tapos pag dinivide ko, ito yung annual savings pa lang na kailangan niya. So hindi na ako kukurap. Kung ito yung kailangan mo, 1 million, 500,000 na premium. Kaya nakaka-close ng VIP kasi ready na ako beforehand.
Share ko lang just to add dun sa sinabi mo kanina na don't present everything.
No.
I had an experience before kasi bago pa lang ako. So, syempre, excited na like what you said. I have a PowerPoint presentation. Nandun lahat ng mga aspects, savings, health, retirement, education. Yeah. So, excited ako. Pinasend ko lahat sa client ko na old goal. Alam mo, ano niya sa akin? Comment niya sa akin. Sabi niya, I like your presentation, but I don't need to hear all of that. Sabi niya, tapos na ako nun. So parang, just, tapos pa naman, like, sobrang akala ko, na-appreciate niya na pinasend ko. Well, she did. Parang sabi niya, I only need this. So, sana ito na lang yung pinasend. Oh. So, yun lang for new advisors na really eager to present. Kaya, pag nagpe-present ako, tinatanong ko, sa mga to, ano ba yung tingin mo priority mo? Doon lang nag-focus.
Thank you, JC. JC, there.
Sabi nila it's like the food court effect now. So the food court effect is if you go to the food court, there are a lot of options. So when you're choosing like a place to eat, instead of choosing something new, you'll stick to the one that's familiar. Punta ka sa food court, tapos nakita mo na, uy, may Aboy's Lumpia, may kimbap, merong Jollibee, kaka-Jollibee nyo lang kahapon, pero you're overwhelmed with so many options and you feel like you have the responsibility of deciding. So you don't want that responsibility of deciding. So you just stick with something that's familiar.
So yun yung kunin mo.
Yun yung kunin mo. So kapag i-present sa dami options, parang, I don't want the responsibility of deciding on so much. So I'll just stick to one. So sabi nga ni Kita nila before, like, make them a client first.
Yeah.
So even if you know that they need something for their retirement, alam mo na wala silang critical illness coverage, zero at all. Pero they wanted to have like a future builder, an AIA plans. Then give it to them. And then sabi niya, tapos pag ang policy review ko like 3 to 6 months down the road. And then that's when
Balikan mo na lang.
that's when you present yung pinakita yung DJ para kita na near retirement ka, may education funding ka, but like, you don't have these things. So when this hits, wala yan. So, there.
Like that. Thank you, Tita D. Palapakan natin si Tita D. Ayan. Tama yung sinabi niya. Baka nga, yung something familiar na sinasabi mo, hindi, tuloy ko na lang yung savings ko sa bangko. Hindi pa kukuha. Ganun ang mangyayari. So, do not over-explain. Kaya dapat nagpa-prepare ka, nagpa-practice ka. The more you practice, thank you, Mel, the more easier for you kasi parang, ito lang yung sinasabi mo, hihintay ka ng sagot. Di ba? Kasi dapat sumasagot sila eh. Even nga, pag nagpe-present ako, I try to engage kahit sa mga nasa Zoom. I wanna hear if may mapulot ba sila, ganyan, di ba, kayo. I wanna know, hindi pwedeng puro information lang. Na-excite ako sa slides ko, gano'n. Alright? Sabi ni Miss Jean, best gift to our children is not to have them worry about us when we retire. Tama po yun, Miss Jean, no? Sabi ni Miss Eva, I always say what Nina says, your young self will need to save your old self. Tama. So the best person who can save the old you is the young and capable you that you are today. So may gano'n po tayong mga power phrases. Sabi ni Ms. Eva, itemizing the cost in retirement makes it very relatable. Sabi ni Ms. Kaya ba? Ayan. Sige, how about others? Pakitype pa po sa chat box. Ayan, so marami po tayo sa Zoom. Sana po yung iba nagka-type para makita ko kung may napulot po kayo. Ayan, so now, punta na tayo ngayon sa paano na pag nagpunta ka na sa presentation? Di ba? Paano na pag nagpunta ka sa presentation? So, na-set mo na. Di ba? How do you present naman savings or how do you highlight na important mag-save? And now I will tell you this. Pag natutunan nyo to, hindi lang A+ signature yung mabibenta ninyo. You can now start selling VUL which actually gives higher ANP. Diba? Sometimes kasi, if investment, ang position natin sa VUL, minsan ayaw na natin kasi hindi naman talaga kumikita. Parang ganun ang feeling natin eh. Matagal ang ROI. So bakit, kung matagal ang ROI, bakit pa investment ang positioning? Diba? So hindi talaga. Alright? The only investment product that we have is monetary. Global Dynamic Income Fund. Diba? Quarterly, hindi namin kasi maganda. The rest, I feel, savings ang tamang approach para less stress for you. Mag-break even 10 years from now, nakapag-save lang siya. Hindi siya talo. Tama? In fact, talo ng konti, okay pa rin kasi na-insure siya. Tama? Not the investment na kumita. Eh, yun yung gusto kong matutunan nyo moving forward para confident kayo with whatever concept. So I'll discuss with you the different concepts that I prepared for today. Alright? Ayan, sabi nyo na ito, both. Alright. Number 1, do not save alone. So may mga scripts ako dito. Tapos, gagamitin nyo siya however you want. Gusto ko na maintindihan nyo yung concept. Hindi naman kailangan word for word. Alright. So ito yun. So ito yung mga questions. So if you don't mind, Richard, how much savings do you have today? No, sa presentation na to, nagtatanong ka. No, there will be times that you can ask this. No, so for example, sinabi niya, oy, kunyari na lang si Shopee. No? Kunyari sinabi niya, 100,000 pesos. Oy, that's good, meron kang 100,000 pesos, hindi lahat. No, nakakausap ko may ganong level of savings. So congratulations. Right? Pero Shopee, tanong ko lang, how many years have you been working? You're 37. How many years have you been working? 16 years. Di ba? Kasi 21 tayo graduate. So kung may 100,000 ka, in 16 years, that's how much per year? Less than 10,000 a year? Less than 1,000 a month. It means you have only saved blank per year and blank per month. Are you happy about it? So during the conversation, dinadala ko yung conversation, pag savings ang usapan, or pag financial planning, whatever that is, dadali ko yung conversation, magkano yung savings na. Okay. In a lot of the presentations, kay Sandro Forte, sinasabi niya rin ito, may tinatawag tayong framing. Sa simula pa lang, you can tell. Now, part of my job is to know, understand yung goals mo. So I will be asking personal information through questions and then financial information. Okay ka ba doon, sir? Alright? So sa simula pa lang, pinrame mo na, nagpaalam ka. So hindi ka na dapat mahiyang magtanong ng whatever you wanna ask. Kasi ako talaga gusto ko malaman kung may savings, lalo na kung regular, not the VIP client naman. Alright? The regular employees and all. I wanna know magkano savings mo ngayon. Kasi tutulungan kita eh. Yun yung approach mo, gusto mo makapag-save. So, tulungan kita na makapag-save. Gusto ko malaman magkano savings mo. Alright? So pag sinabi niya 500,000, oh, that's great. Malaki siya, di ba? How many years have you been working? 16 years. Divide natin siya sa 16 years, that's 30,000 something a month. Alright? 30,000 times 12, that's 2,500 a month. Are you happy with your savings na 2,500 a month? Sabihin na, yeah, pwede, but could be better. Tama? Right? So sabihin mo ganun. So, most of the time, they would say, I could have saved more. Agree? Type in agree in the chat box if you agree with me. Alright? Para at least alam ko. No, it's okay to continue saving on your own. No, part of the presentation, okay na nagsisave ka mag-isa. What I propose is to also put some of your money with us in AIA through our savings programs. Alright? Okay yan, nagsisave ka mag-isa, JC. What I propose, lagay mo some of your money with AIA through our savings programs. Right? Sa mind mo, pwede itong BUL, pwede itong endowment. Okay, hindi lang itong A plus signature, ha? Right? So, basta savings, so pwede niyang withdrawin in the future. Right? Pwedeng BUL, pwedeng endowment. Right? In this way, you will be able to have money that you don't see in your bank account. Maganda to yung hindi mo nakikita sa bank account mo. Kasi pag nasa bank account natin, nagagalaw natin. Tama ba? Do you agree? So, magbabagsak ka ng mga ganong statement, I always ask my client, do you agree? Hindi ako nagbebenta lang sales talk. Hindi ganon. Lagi ko tatanungin, agree ka ba, Dayan, na yung pera sa bangko, pag nag-iipon tayo, nagagastos din natin. Tama ba? True. Tataas confidence ko eh. Pag tumaas confidence ko, nag-agree ka sa akin, marami na naman ako pwedeng sabihin sa'yo. Hindi ako pwedeng isang bagsakan. Yung sinasabi ko, JC, during the presentation, hindi pwedeng isang buong bagsak, sabihin ko lahat, bahala ka na makinig parang seminar. Hindi ganon. Magbibagsak ko lang statement, titignan ko kung naniniwala ka sa akin. Pag naniniwala ka sa akin, saka na naman ako maglalapag ng mga statements that mag-convince sa'yo unti-unti. So, kaya maganda kung may separate kang account, hindi mo nakikita. Tama ba? Alright? You can use this money for the future. Tapos mag-share ka ng story. Either story mo, or pwede nyo hirapin yung mga story ng mga co-financial advisors. I'll share with you yung napakagandang story ni Jerome De Castro. Kinuwento niya na sa akin to, mas nakita ko, narinig ko yung details na nag-DOP siya. No, last week, Saturday. So, sa podium, sabi niya, before siya pumasok sa AIA, nakakuha na siya ng 3 insurance plan. I think BUL. Alright? Sa nanay niya, sa tatay niya, tsaka sa kanya. Alright? So, meron siya, same siya, babayad siya. No, as an accountant, CPA siya. Alright? Tapos, so, nag-rent lang yata sila dun sa Kainta. May nagkaroon ng opportunity. 12-door apartment yata. 12-door apartment. Ganyan. So, ang mura, parang foreclose ng bangko. Ang mura, nakita niya, nag-bid siya yung nanalo. Alright? So, sabi niya, saan kumukuha ng pera rito? Na-realize niya, meron siyang 3 BUL na pwedeng ma-withdraw. Winidraw niya lahat yun, pinalapse niya yung policy, pinambayad niya ng down payment nung 12-door apartment. Tapos na-promote siya, lumipat siya ng company, na-promote siya, na-double yung income niya, 100,000+, nabayaran niya, na-fully pay niya ngayon yung 12-door apartment. So that 12-door apartment is now buying his insurance. Ang galing, swerte rin siya, pero ang galing niya rin, di ba? Ganon. Kung wala siyang insurance, tingin niyo may saving siya. Maybe not enough. Tama? So yung insurance policy, although pinalapse niya, ginamit niya yung pera na yon, kahit lugi ng konti, hindi naman niya tinitignan lugi kasi na-insure siya eh. That's one. Number 2, kung walang insurance, nagastos niya na yun. You know the spending habits of people. We don't keep money in our pockets lang. We spend it. Pag meron tayong pera. So that's what happens. Pinambili niya, nakabili siya ng property ngayon. Meron siya 12-door apartment. Alright? So, bukod pa sa iba niyang business. So that's a very good story. O next. Marami akong concepts gagamitin nyo lang during your kwentuhan. I don't trust my self-control. Alright? So, eto, hindi mo sasabihin siya. Ako mismo, I don't trust my self-control. Do you trust your self-control kung may pera ka sa bangko? Most of the time, hindi. Tama? So, have you experienced saving money, Karin, and then using that money only to save again for another goal? Na-experience mo yun? Nag-save ka, ginastos mo, sisave ka ulit kasi may bago kang goal. Anong pakiramdam? How do you feel about it? Paulit-ulit nakakapagod, tama? Alright? I understand. Kasi ganun din po ako. Sabihin mo, ganun ka rin naman talaga eh. So, hindi mo siya binibentahan, sinishare mo sa kanya, alam mo, ito yung na-realize ko sa sarili kong buhay, gusto kong i-share sa'yo. So, the respect will go high. Hindi mo siya binibentahan. iPhone versus iPhone, di ba? Ganyan. Alright, next. When you put your money in AIA, it will help you with the discipline that you need to save more. So, binibenta mo ito discipline, hindi mo binibenta yung product. Alright? Kasi, in-establish ko yung usapan na kulang ka ng discipline, kailangan mo ng more discipline. Tama, in-establish ko muna yun sa first part. So, nag-agree ka sa akin na hindi mo makontrol yung pera, yung sarili mo, ginagastos mo yung pera, itutulong sa'yo. Kasi may program siya. Sisave ka dyan. Hindi mo basta pwedeng galawin. In our program, you will have 4 savings. And since it has withdrawal charges, naging positive yung withdrawal charges. Alright? That's how I present BUL. Promise. Kaya walang galit akong client. Since may withdrawal charges, it will keep you from withdrawing. Just like how we are in our savings account. Alright? That's how I sell BUL. May withdrawal charges po ito. Ang maganda rito, hindi mo siya gagalawin kasi nga may charges. This is your last option. Alright? Huli pa to sa emergency fund. Sabihin ko talagang ganon. Sabihin ko talagang ganon. So alam nila, hindi na lang titignan yung pera nila sa BUL. Unless talagang kailangan. So I have clients na withdraw ng Abundance Plus. Sino yung mga nag-Abundance Plus dyan? Hindi galit. Masaya sa akin. Dalawa to. No, yung dalawa na yon, yung isa, withdraw, tinagdagdag niya sa business niya. Kahit almost half lang ang maibayad niya. More than half lang yung nahulog niya for 10 years. Yung isa, withdraw niya, ini-start niya ng jewelry business niya. Nagiginto-ginto siya ngayon. May pang-negosyo siya. Diba? Kasi may nag-ikon siya. Of course, may iba na silang policy sa akin. Best na to, na may ACT na, so okay lang sa akin withdrawin. Because that's how I sell. I sell multiple policies, yung BUL mo, withdrawin mo yan, meron ka ng better coverage. Alright? Nabentahan ko na sila ng gano'n. So, hindi sila galit. In fact, happy sila. Buti na lang, sir. Meron akong, nakapag-save ako ng una sa inyo. Ganon. Alam niyo yung isa kong client, negosyante na ngayon. In fact, VIP client namin ni Carla. Nagsimula sa akin 36,000 a year. 9,000 a quarter. Siya yung Abundance Plus. Winit ko siya nung 10 years. From staff namin before, sa office, negosyante na ngayon. Ganon. At lagi niya binabanggit, buti na lang siya mag-save ng pera, tumaas yung confidence niya. So guys, the impact of our plans to them is not just about insurance. Alright? That's not about investment. Na-realize ko, and I want to share with you, that's the bigger and deeper impact is the savings discipline. Naniwala siya sa sarili niya, kaya niya pala. So ngayon, yung 3,000 a month, after 3 years, maliit na sa kanya. No, nabentahan ng 5K a month, natapos na rin yung Health Invest, kumuha na ng mas malaki, kumuha na ng 100 plus thousand na A+ signature, mga ganun. Alright? So kasi, alam niya na eh. So you will grow with your clients. Lalo na dun sa mga bata namin dito, sila Gil, sila Lodge, ayan, no, sila Bridge, sila Nicole, yan, yung mga sila Kelvin, no? The younger ones. Kung bata ang kliyente ninyo, you will grow with them. I started as 26 years old sa industry na to. Wala rin halos pera yung mga kliyente ko. Di ba? Sakto lang. No? 30K, 50K, minsan naka 100K ako. No? May VIP client, dumating second or third year ko pa sa industry. Yung first 200,000. Ganun. So, nag-start lang ako maliit. Pero na-practice kasi talaga yun. And these are some of the things that I use. Okay ba itong number 2? Right? Number 3 tayo. Ayan. Number 3. Savings comfort zone. So related to lahat and you can use this sama-sama during your presentation. Ano yung savings comfort zone? I just learned that we have what we call a savings comfort zone. Pwede sabihin, alam niyo, nag-training kami, may natutunan akong bago. Ito yung concept of savings comfort zone. Meron tayong different levels. For some people, 20K ito, some 50K, 100K, 500K, 1 million, and so on. Ito yung amount ng savings na comfortable tayo dapat meron. Alright? So yun. What happens is when your savings exceed this level, pag lumagpas dun sa comfort zone mo, kunyari ang comfort zone mo, sir, 50K, naging 60,000 siya, you feel so rich. Right? You feel so rich that you spend the excess. Yung 10,000, yung subconscious mind mo, hindi mapakali, gagastos. Gusto niya gastosin yung 10,000 kasi feeling niya na de-deprive siya. No, yung subconscious mind mo, na de-deprive ka, feeling mo, na de-deprive ka, kasi dami mong savings, gusto mo gumastos. Alright? When it goes down your comfort level, kunyari 50,000 ang savings comfort zone mo, naging 30K na lang. You hustle. You work harder. You cut down on your expenses and then try to save money till you reach this level. Agree ka ba, sir? Sir JC? Agree ka ba na nangyayari rin sa'yo to? Meron tayong kanya-kanyang savings comfort zone. Hindi ko alam kung magkano sa inyo. Maybe hindi mo naman kailangan sagutin today. Pero meron tayong ganyan. It's like a thermostat of your air conditioner. Alam niyo naman nangyayari sa thermostat, di ba? Pag nakaset ng 18, binuksan mo yung pinto, ang sabi sa Pilipino, lalabas yung aircon. Ganon. So, lalabas yung lamig, papasok yung hot air. Sa thermostat will kick in para yung 18 na naging 20 degrees Celsius, gagawin niya ulit 18. Tama? Automatic. Ganon din pag sumobrang lamig, yung 18 naging 17 degrees Celsius. Magpapatay yung thermostat para uminit, para maging 18 ulit. We have that. Okay ba yun? Kaya po, I don't trust my self-control. Kasi pag sobra na dun sa level of savings ko, ginagastos ko. Do you agree with me? Alam niyo, relate lahat ng client dito. Maniwala kayo. Ganito yung mga presentation ko. Alright? I use a different kind of presentation. I don't present products. Okay ba? Okay ba ito? Sa talk ko bukas, isasama ko yung ilan dito. Ganon. Para makarelate yung mga tao. So when you put your money in AIA, paano makakatulong ito? It will help you hack this comfort zone unknowingly. Hindi mo alam. Hinahack mo na yung comfort zone na to. Alright? After 10 years, even if your plan just go break even, you will have bigger savings than what you had in the past 10 years. How does it sound? Di ba tinanong ko si Chucky kanina, no? Ilang years na nagkatrabaho. Sabi niya, 16 years, meron siyang savings 100,000. Example lang, hypothetical. Sir, pag naglagay ka dito sa AIA, 50,000 a year, in 10 years, kahit nag-break even, yung VUL plan mo, may 500,000 kang extra. Mahahack niya, hindi na siya 100,000 lang ulit 10 years from now. How does it sound? Gusto ba yun, sir? Alright? That's how I sell VUL. I don't sell returns. Alright? That's how I sell VUL.
I think what I like about your concepts, kagaya nung kanina yung withdrawal charges, ginawa mo siyang positive, di ba? This one naman, from what I'm seeing lang, parang yung insurance as an expense, ginawa mo positive. In the sense na, okay, expense nga siya, so parang hindi mo siya titingnan as your parang go blindside ka of not looking at as your savings as expense siya. And then after a few years, magugulat ka na meron. So, yun, I like it.
Thank you, JC. Pala si JC. Ayan. So, type in the chat box yung mga realization niyo so far. No, how is this helping you? Ano yung pinaka-nagustuhan niyo so far na concept? Matagal ko na binabanggit to, pero ngayon ko lang siya nailagay into text. Ito a slide. Lagi ko itong kinukwento, this is how I sell, this is how I present. Nabigyan ko rin siya ng time finally. Kasi nga, yun na talaga. Ngayon, na-feel ko ngayon, mali ang approach natin when we set appointments. Alright? So, kaya hindi tayo makaset. Okay? Pasimplihin lang natin. Savings lang. Alright? Thermostat analogy, super relate, sabi ni Bridge. Thank you. Concept 4. Si Bridge, magastos yan. So, nakaka-relate talaga siya. Of course, another story that doon, lakihan mo yung thermostat mo through training talaga yan, more exposure, no, ibang usapan yun, ibang topic yun, ibang training yun. So we talk about it in the 6 a.m. club, paano mo i-grow yung thermostat mo. Diba? But for simple terms, alam natin may ganun. Alright, next. Concept number 4, a program, not a product. Alright? So what we're selling is a program, not a product. Yun lang yung gusto kong ma-highlight. Okay. In our team, ito yung part of my script that I always say ever since. In our team, we are trained to not just sell a product. We are trained to understand the goals or your goals and create a program to help you reach those goals. So sinasabi ko to sa intro pa lang, training. No, hindi pa ako nagtatanong. So, sir, alam niyo ba, sa team namin, trained kami to not just sell products, we are trained to understand your goals mo and then create a program to help you reach your goals. Gusto mo ba yun, sir? Do you like that? So every time na meron akong mga powerful statements, I confirm kung naintindihan. Alright? No, so, check. Type in the chat box, confirm with your client. Alright? Confirm with your client. Pag mayroon ka sinabing motherhood statements or mga powerful statements, you confirm kung nag-agree sila or nag-gets nila. Do you agree with that? Do you like that? Do you agree with me? Ganon. Sir, agree ka ba, sir? Diba? Yun. So, or okay ka ba dun, sir? Magtatanong ako ng mga questions. You always confirm. Alright? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. This program is called blank. Kunyari, this program is called Future Builder. Will help you have the discipline to save and create a separate fund to fulfill your future needs. Alright? So, hindi product to, programa to. This is a program. Itong Future Builder, itong A+ signature, program ito. Itong Future Scholar, program ito. Diba? Program ito that will help you have the discipline to save. No? Kasi yun ang purpose ng program eh. May discipline ka. Kasi kapag may savings account ka lang, ang challenge sa savings account, pwede mag-save, pwede hindi. Diba? Walang commitment. Tama ba? Kaya hindi tayo nakaka-save ng malaki, walang commitment. Example, ito pa. Sino sa inyo sinasabihan BTID, di ba? Buy and invest the difference. Mag-stock market na lang ako, tama? Like ako mismo may stock market, hindi ako naglalagay monthly. Tama? Minsan nga, once in a year lang, minsan wala pa, nakalimutan ko. Kasi sabi ko, sige gagawin ko to on my own, mag-trade ako on my own. Pero sa dami ng other priorities, nauuna yun eh. Tama? Kasi hindi siya commitment eh. Okay, yun yung problem. So, ang trabaho ni AI, ginagawa natin positive lahat ng negative. Di ba? Regular payment yan. Commitment yan, yun nga eh. Yun nga talaga kailangan mo, sir, di ba? Kasi nga, pag walang commitment, hindi talaga tayo nakakaipon. Kaya tayo walang ipon or kaya kulang ang ipon natin. So, sobrang important yung first concept na do not save alone. Kailangan mong malaman magkano ipon niya. Kasi, pag dinisbay mo yun sa tagal niya katrabaho, maliit. Believe me, most of them, maybe 99% would realize maliit yung savings nila sa tagal na nila nagtatrabaho. Meaning, pag mag-isa ka lang, mag-isa mo lang siyang ginagawa, kulang. Tama? So, do not do this alone. Kaya, let AIA help you. Okay, type in the chat box, let AIA help you. Yun ang trabaho ng AIA. No, gusto natin ma-highlight. Gusto natin ma-highlight yung na kaya ka magsisave 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. It's a program. Kasi lahat tayo kailangan ng discipline. So if you notice, concept 1 to concept 4, tahi-tahiyan. In fact, lahat yan ginagamit ko sa mga kwentuhan. Diba? Pinaghahalo-halo ko na yung mga concepts na need nila. Depende sa kwentuhan. Oo nga eh, hindi ako nakakasave, ganyan-ganyan. So share ko sa kanila na itong program to. And sometimes I use this in handling objections naman. Itong concept na to. No? Itong product po na to, alam mo, this is a program to help you develop that discipline. Di ba sabi mo kanina, katulad ko, you don't trust your self-control. Alright? So, huhulihin mo na rin siya sa mga sinabi mo earlier times. Yeah, thank you sa mga nagtatype. Okay. Concept number 5. The roller coaster way of saving and spending. Tito Boy ito. Nilagay lang natin sa slides. No? So, the roller coaster way of saving and spending. Kasi yung mga saving concepts na ito, natutunan ko lang din talaga to. Unang nag-cash 101 ako, tapos pinaganda ko na lang. Alright? So, ito pa rin yung punot dulo nun. Itong slides na to. As we go through our lives, we save. Hit the roller coaster. And then we spend. Save and then spend. Save and then spend. And that's why we can grow our savings. Tama ba? Nagsisave tayo, na-reach mo yung comfort level, nag-spend ka, save na naman tayo, na-reach mo yung goal, spend mo. Okay lang naman yun eh. Kaya lang, anong pakiramdam, sir? Taas ba ba yung roller coaster? Anong pakiramdam, ma'am? Bahala na siya kung ano sagot niya, di ba? Nakakapagod siya. Isang drop na nga lang. Pagod na ako. Parang gano'n, whatever that is. Di ba? Ma-realize na roller coaster way of saving and spending. In the past, we draw this. Papel kasi ako mag-present eh. Papel. So I draw this, taas kamay. Diba? Lifeline presentation ni Boy Flores. Diba? We save and spend, save and spend, save and spend. No? Wala natitira. Yun yung reality. Nakakapagod lang. Until retired ka na, ang liit pa rin ng savings mo. May mga kilala ba kayong ganun, sir? Huwag mo sabihin siya. May kilala ba kayong ganun, sir? Siya na magsasabi ako, ganyan ako. Hindi at least. Di ba? Tama ba? No? So, yun yung mga operative questions. You have to just prepare. Practice lang ng questions dito. Ito yun. We are trained like this, unang circle. No, ito po yung sahod natin. We spend first, hopefully to save, and then save what is left. Usually little to none is left. Tama ba? Kapag ito po yung ginawa mo, kung ano yung matira yun na save mo, minsan maliit na natitira, minsan wala. This program, balik na naman ako sa program. This program will help you save first. We'll give you the discipline to save first. Tabi na muna natin yan, sir. And then spend on what's left. Kung ano yung matira, doon tayo spend natin. With repetition, you get better at it until you don't notice that you have saved a lot. Di ba? So, yung kanina, yung ano dito, yung 500,000, I-explain ko kanina, di ba? Nakaibon ka after 10 years. Hindi mo na notice, meron ka palang 500,000. Kasi binawas mo muna. Alam naman natin po itong concept na to. Ang problema, if you do it alone, mahirap kontrolin. Mahirap magkaroon ng self-control. Let us in AIA help you. Let me and AIA help you save and have that discipline. Okay ba yun? No? Di ba yun naman ang gusto natin mga kliyente, may responsible. Tama ba? Loves their family. Hindi kasi lahat papatok to, tama? But the right people, they want to improve their saving habits. Kahit mayayaman actually. You can use some of the concepts that I talked to. No? Baka bili na lang ng bili ng bag, travel lang ng travel. Okay naman yun, sir. Ma'am, okay po yan. Hindi ko po sinasabing tigilan natin yun. So what I'm just saying is, mas maganda siguro kung tulungan po kitang mag-save para in the future meron tayong mahuhugot. Yun lang. Alright, so that's the concept of the roller coaster saving and spending. Okay ba? So, dodrawing nyo yung roller coaster, dodrawing nyo rin to. Dalawang bilog. What I recommend, pag ito yung salary mo pagdating, linyahan mo sa taas, save muna tayo, and then spend on what's left. Para hindi walang natitira kasi ganun po nangyayari, di ba? May mga expenses naman po tayo na pwede namang hindi talaga lagi natin i-spend. Alright? Ayan. And lastly, the save to create and create then save concept. No, so, ginamit ito ni Aiza Antonio no, second day. No, ginawa ko lang ng drawing. Alright? Ginawa ko lang ng drawing. Kasi ganito yung ibig sabihin niya. Alright? What we usually do is to save money in the bank. So save na tayo dito and then hope to have the discipline to eventually create the fund that we need to secure our goal. Example po, education fund. No, alam natin, kailangan natin ng 2 million para sa education ng kids natin. Mag-save tayo sa bank. Alright? Unti-unti, mahit natin yan dyan. Hopefully, magkaroon tayo ng discipline over the next 10 years, maipon natin yung 2 million. Tama po ba, sir? Ganun po yung ginagawa natin. What I propose is to create then save concept. Paano yun? Our AIA plan will help you create the goal you want in an instant. Example, gusto mo, may 2 million yung anak mo in case something happens. Bibili ka ng life insurance worth 2 million. May 2 million ka na. Tsaka ka magsisave via premium. Tsaka ka maghuhulog. Pero anything happens, may 2 million ka na. So, ganun siya. Then slowly save up to the goal. So that you reach the goal through your insurance premiums. Edit ko ng konti. Then slowly save to reach that goal. Wala nang up. To reach that goal through your insurance premiums. So, ganun kasi yung life insurance eh. Kaya alam mo, natutunan ko to nung bata, bago pa lang ako sa insurance. Pala bata. Bata pa rin naman ako ngayon. Nung bago pa ako sa insurance, na-realize ko ganun pala sinasabi nila that life insurance will instantaneously create the money that you need. Ini-insure niya na ito kailangan, ito gusto ko meron sa family ko, 2 million. Pero wala pa ako 2 million ngayon. O sige, life insurance, insure mo sa akin yung 2 million, tsaka ako magsisave sa'yo unti-unti every month or every year. So you create, then save. Ito, save to create. Hopefully, makakreate, hindi mo sure. Di ba? Sabi ni Tito Boy, when you run out of time, hindi mo na makikreate yung goal mo. Hindi pa nga lang yun, yung discipline pa, tama? Dito, you create that goal, and then you save so that even if you have time or you run out of time, paano yung run out of time? Namatay. Diba? If you run out of time, hindi mo pa na-save yung 2 million, maybe nakahulog ka pa lang ng 500,000. May 2 million na yung family mo. Self-completing device, tawag ni Roel Morales. Elevator concept, ginagamit din ng iba. Tama? No? Pero lagi nyo tandaan, that's the create, then save. Create mo na yung goal mo. Ito na. Through the contract that we have. Pangako ko sa'yo, may 2 million ka, 5 million ka, whatever happens. A plus signature, ganun din, di ba? A plus signature, gusto mo yung payout, tama? Pero anything happens, may life insurance siya. So, ganito siya. Ang A plus signature, pag sa bata, ang benta mo, payout. Pag sa matanda, life insurance siya. Bonus yung payout. Na-realize namin ganun. Na-realize namin ni Guru. No, tama yung concept niya. Doon, ang A plus signature, pwede pang estate planning. I-create mo na yung target na face amount. Kunyari, 10 million ang life insurance. O di magbenta ka ng 5 million face amount. Na-create mo na yung 10 million na pangbayad ng estate tax. Meron na yun, tama? And then, habang naguhulog siya, nagsisave na lang siya unti-unti. Actually, may sukli pa kasi every 6 years, every 2 years, starting on the year 6, may nakukuha siya. Pero guaranteed na yung 10 million. Clear ba yun? Baliktad siya. Pag matanda ang client mo or the adult, even ako, kunyari ako, pag binili ko sa A plus signature para sa akin, ako yung insurance siya. Bonus yung payout. Yung unang-una kong client ng A plus signature gano'n. Taga-Israel, OFW. Before pa mag-break yung war, July, July 4, hindi ko makalimutan. July 4 last year, kasama ka, Chucky, naalala mo sa MOA, kick-off, minute ko muna doon sa umaga. Diba taga-Israel? Gusto niya, dahil wala siya masyadong insurance, gusto niya siya yung insured kahit may anak siya. Sige po, ginawa natin gano'n. At yun mo ngayon, bigla nag-war sa Israel. Diba? So, hindi siya rated kasi kumuha siya before the war. Gano'n. So, ayun. So, siya yung insured. No? Gusto niya yun for the insurance. Bonus lang yung payout. Kasi gusto niya, double the base amount. She likes that eh. Gano'n. So, yun.
Yung bang concept na yun, will it work for UL plans only? Kasi parang di ba yung premise, yung sa second figure mo, yung create, that's basically for you to have that, kailangan something would happen.
Yeah.
Diba? So, for OL ba siya or like,
Pwede rin VUL.
for VUL, nakita ko siya kasi may savings or investment concept siya. But for OL, pwede pa siyang gamitin kasi parang makaisipin mo ng client, kailangan ko munang mamatay or magkasakit para magkaroon ako ng big box na create.
Yes, tama. Pero siyempre depende sa goal. So, kanya nga ang goal is estate planning. May gusto talaga magpamana sa client, sa kamag-anak. Kunyari, sir, magkano gusto mo pamana? Example lang doon nakarating yung usapan nyo. 10 million. May 10 million ka po ba ngayon? Wala pa. O di, sige po, if you want, let's create a 10 million, bayaran mo lang through premium. Max Protect, pay up to age 65. O, di ba? Pwede. Pwede gano'n. Di ba? So, i-create na natin yung goal mo, depende sa usapan kung sa mamunta. In fact, kinreate itong concept na to before pa magka-VUL. Alright? Ito yung mga lumang concept pa na hinugot ko lang sa baul, pinaganda ko lang ang kwento. Alright? Kasi alam nyo ba, yung pa rin yung nag-work. In reality, these 6 concepts I presented to you today, ito yung nagpabilib sa akin sa insurance. Investor po ako, negosyante ako. Diba? So, aggressive ako. Gusto ko malaki yung return, etc. When I understood these concepts, nakita ko na okay, iba yung insurance, essential siya. Iba yung negosyo ko, essential siya. So, focus ako sa negosyo ko, palakihin ko yun. Yung other of my other risk, ilagay ko sa insurance. Kaya naging believer ako ng insurance kasi I understood these different concepts na hindi siya investment. Talagang siya, risk. risk mitigation talaga ang insurance. If you understand that, yun talaga nabibigay niya and pwede mo paglaruan yung mga presentation. So I don't talk about returns again unless monetary yan. Ganon. So, pero yung approach, again, binabalik ko sa inyo, insurance pa rin tayo, critical illness pa rin tayo, ibenta niyo pa rin yung ECP, Health Invest, in fact, ibenta niyo. Pero pag nag-set kayo ng appointment, I think mas attractive kung savings muna. Tama? Retirement muna. Tapos pag nag-present ka, you go your usual presentation. Sir, ito po yung major goals. We have life insurance protection, health insurance, and then savings for the long term, education and retirement. Ano po priority niyo? Pag sinabi niya health, hindi health muna, at least nakaset ka ng appointment. Tama? Ang goal ko lang, makaset ka ng appointment. Maybe mas madali makaset ng appointment kapag savings ang approach. Alright? And then, I taught you how to present savings para hindi ka naman clueless. No? Kung mag-approach ka ng savings, hindi mo naman alam kung paano mo dadalhin yung conversation. Tama? So that's savings all about. Ang goal dito, i-prove sa kliyente mo, maliit savings niya. No, yun yung mga goals ko dito. Gusto ko ipakita maliit savings niya. Gusto ko ipakita hindi niya kaya mag-isa. Gusto ko ipakita kailangan niya yung AIA plan para mas lumaki yung savings. Pag na-realize na yun, bibili na siya. Alright? So, which concept are you confident to use in your presentation? Sige, anong mga concept? Karin, ikaw, anong nagustuhan mo? Ano sa mga concept yung tumatak sa'yo? Create and save. Sige, bakit?
Actually, nung kay Aizen, hindi ko masyado hindi na sobrang dami. Tapos yung parang pinesent mo siya, kung parang bibigay ka, parang gusto mo ng 2M, parang hulugan. Parang sa baba yung pinaka-nakailan sa akin. Ang ganda. Kailangan ko lang siyang style ni Karin. Kung paano siya. Kasi English eh. So,
Pero tagalogin mo naman, okay lang naman siya.
Hindi, ito naman ay Taglish.
Taglish siya, Taglish.
Yes, of course. So, iniisip ko na lang kung paano mo siya i-deliver as Karin.
Tama. Actually,
tama.
Thank you. Wala si Karin. No? So actually, nung diniscuss na ni Aiza na, nung sinasabi niya pala, alam ko na kung ano yung ibig niya. Nilista niya pa lang yung mga, alam ko yung pala yun. Nagkaroon ng pangalan. So okay, sige. So nung ginagawa ko tong slides, sabi ko kailangan magkaroon ng picture. No? Kailangan magkaroon ng picture na okay, ito ibig sabihin niyan. Buo na yung goal mo, tsaka ka lang maghulog-hulugan. Oo, yun siya. So, kaya nga, ito, lalo na sa bago, guys, do not underestimate the drawing. Papel, tsaka ballpen, lalo pag face-to-face. Sobra talaga. Sobrang important nun. Kasi doon nila ma-realize, ikaw rin mismo, doon ako dami natutunan. Kaka-drawing ko na itong mga to, kakasulat ko ng mga goals nila, kaka-compute ko ng retirement fund, education fund, lumalim yung belief ko. Naintindihan ko. So now, kahit walang drawing, I can explain it to my clients. Hindi ko maintindihan paano nangyayari. Naiintindihan nila kahit nagsasalita lang ako. Siguro, dahil na-imagine ko siya, na-imagine niya na rin, parang gano'n. Yun. So, si Jen, sige, may gusto i-share si Jen. Anong pinaka-nagustuhan mo sa mga concepts na?
Ayan, yung save to create versus create then save. Powerful talaga yung merong yung drawing. Kasi mag-visualize nila, oo nga pala, meron pala akong goal ito. So, tutulungan mo na lang sila to start. Isa din, galing yung mga client may mga goals sila. Pero minsan hindi na i-start kasi nga sa dami ng mga naiisip, mga priority. So, doon tayo papasok ng tulungan sila.
Thank you, Jen. Malapakan si Jen. And actually, na-realize ko, pwede ito sa health fund. For example, ACP. Pinapili mo siya. Ano pong goal nyo? Protection, health, or savings. Sabi niya, health. Bakit po health? Ganyan. Explain siya. Sige po, ito yung mga questions ko. Between 1 million to 10 million, tinanong ko sa client namin ni Carla, refer pa lang. Between 1 million to 10 million, magkano health fund gusto mo? Sabi 10 million. Excite ako, present ako ng ACP. 300 plus thousand. No, gano'n. So, for 20K. Diba? So, nakakatuwa. No? So, or 600,000 yata yung 10K. No? So, may goal siya. Okay. Ang tanong mo ganito, may health fund ka na po ba? Wala pa. Nasimulan mo, maybe meron. So, ito, may 2 options po kayo. Save to create. Pag-ipunan natin yung 10 million unti-unti, lagay ka sa bangko, separate mo. Or may mas maganda po akong option sa inyo. Bibigyan kita ng 10 million ngayon, igagaranti ni AIA. Hulugan mo lang unti-unti. 600,000 a year.
Yung word na hulugan.
Oo. Diba? Hulugan lang po natin, 600,000 a year. So, okay po ba yan? Alright? So, doon, that alone, meron kasi kami pinapresent ng 10 million. Nirefer ng VIP client na. Pero, so, di ba? So, yun naman talaga.
Kasi pag sa bangko, pwede mo magalaw eh.
Oh,
Diba?
hindi lang pwede, sigurado nga eh.
Uy, meron
So,
ako
kaya,
sa-
guys, before, actually, ito closing to eh. Before pumunta rito, establish mo lahat ng kwento ko kanina. Important yun, guys, ha. Again, lahat ng tinuro ko sa inyo, lahat ng sinasabi ko sa kliyente ko. Kasi ini-establish ko before ko i-close. Agree ka ba na pag ikaw lang mag-isa nag-sale, hindi mo makokontrol? Kailangan mo mag-agree siya eh. Para bago ko mag-close, hindi ko kaya i-close nang hindi ka muna nag-agree sa akin. Hindi talaga. So gusto kong malaman kung pareho tayo nag-iisip. Pag pareho tayo nag-iisip, yari kayo. Ito pa nangyayari, kaya ako galing mabilis mag-refer. Sila na mismo na intindihan nila yung concept. So, pinasimple ko yung presentation eh. So if they understand the concept, sila mismo mag-refer. Oh, ito nga, oh, hulugan ko lang makukuha yung coverage mo. Gusto mo rin naman yan. Hindi hulugan mo na lang, kaysa i-separate mo yung pera mo sa bangko, ihiwalay mo, mag-open ka ng bagong bank account, etc. Oo, di ba? So those things, you know your scripts na after that. Sakyan nyo lang itong mga concepts na to. Alright? So pwede siyang OL din. Alright? Sige. So,
Puro OL kasi yan.
actually OL talaga yung presentation na yan. Ganon. So, Dea.
Alam ko before sa training, parang may tinuro na yung sa save and create. Like, when you ask them na priority, tapos they say na emergency fund, and then try asking them a question. Like, painting a picture. Like, okay, sige, emergency fund. So, what are you saving up for? Ganyan. Just sabihin na, kasi in case of emergency. Like, what do you mean po by emergency? Kasi big daw emergency, sabi hindi kanina. So, okay, emergency means hospitalization, kapag may nagkasakit. How much do you think would you cash out for that? Sabihin na, siguro mahina yung 1 million. Ganyan. Magkano po sinisave nyo every month for emergency? Mga 3,000, mga 10,000. Tapos mga 120,000 per year. So ilang years bago po kayo makasave ng million? Yan. Tapos sabihin, 10 years. Ganyan. Pero paano kapag may nangyari na before the year? Paano kapag end of this year? Oh, may 120,000 na po. Do you think that's enough? So parang easy questions. And then sabihin na, parang hindi, no? Paano po pag may way na meron na kayong 1 million ngayon? Ngayon, may 1 million na kayo ngayon. Anytime, pwede nyo na kunin. Tapos saka tayo mag-iipon ng 10,000 per month. Ayan. Ay, parang maganda yan. Ano ba yan? Ganyan. So, may ganun na create and save. Tapos, what's even better is, if for example, pwede set ko din siya sa ahip, or kaya naman sa EIO, pwede mong sabihin na, kasi yung 10,000 niyo po effectively is creating multiple wallets or multiple baskets for you. Kasi tingnan niyo po kahit na ilang beses kayo nakapag-claim ng medical reimbursement, hindi nagagalaw yung investment component. Diba? So yung 10,000 niyo, may multiple baskets ka na, may life insurance ka na, may medical reimbursement, may early stage critical illness, may daily hospital income ka na. So meron po investments. Diba? Yung pagka 10,000 yung nilagay yung sa bank. Saan po
10,000 lang
marating?
siya,
Oo, saan marating nun? Diba? Yung 10,000 nyo, nakakreate ng 1 million for this, 1 million for this. Yan. So, and unlimited the medical reimbursement pa, 100,000 every year. So, diba? Tapos 7 years yun lang kailangan bayaran. Oo. So, pwede siya to anything. Yan. Yun lang.
Thank you pala pa si Tita D for that. Ayan, so tama yun. Ang ganda ng point mo na parang multiple baskets yung top invest, di ba? So you pay or all in one. No? So isang savings mo, marami pinupuntahan. So ang suggestion ko lang, huwag mong sabihin na yung pera niya lang sa bangko, hindi na tutulog. always establish na kung mag-create ka ng another account, or kung mag-save ka ng separately for this, hindi mo masisave eh. Magagalaw mo siya. So, dapat i-EA siya. So, hindi mo pa rin yung ginagawa mo kasi ayoko lang ma-feel bad siya na ano ba yung ginagawa ko ngayon, parang mali. Hindi naman mali eh. Gusto mong mag-grow. So, parang exciting. Mas exciting. Yung ginagawa mo ngayon, tutuloy natin yan. Kung i-grow natin yung savings mo, yun na yung mahihirapan ka. Kasi in fact, kaya mo mag-save. Kaya lang hanggang doon sa savings comfort zone mo, kung 500,000 siya, 1 million siya, hanggang doon lang. Diba? Para mas lumaki yan, kailangan hindi mo na nakikita. Yun yung reality. Kailangan hindi mo na nakikita yung iba mong savings. Si AIA bahala. Meron akong program for you. That's how we present. However that is, kaya health fund siya, savings pa rin siya, di ba? Kasi kailangan mo naman talaga mag-save separately for health fund. Eh. O di, save natin ACT, save natin AIO, Max Protect, ACT, Health Invest. Di ba ganun? Alright? So any questions? Stop recording na ako.